Madam Ponsati Obiols, 1 minute.
Thank you, President. This Parliament has repeatedly called to stop arms exports to Saudi Arabia, but these calls are ignored. Spain has a long tradition of arms deals with Saudi Arabia, and the government of Mr. Sanchez, keeping up with the tradition, has authorised sales for about 400 million in 2019. Deals with the Saudis are the family business of the Spanish royals, a business that operates under the complacent watch of all Spanish governments since 1975. King Juan Carlos' affair with his Saudi buddies are now finally under investigation, but not in Spain, in Switzerland. What are the Spanish authorities doing about this? Nothing. They not only refuse to investigate, they participated in the cover-up. They sent the king to Abu Dhabi to hide away from Swiss justice. And they keep on selling weapons to the Saudis. This must stop. Corrupt interest in member states cannot take precedence over our moral obligations. Thank you very much.
Dziękuję pani poseł.